Hello, welcome to the Kuvings Healthy Kitchen. My name's Gary Dowse and today I have a fantastic winter juice recipe for you. It's from my new book. It's called Tonic. So with carrots, just cutting them once down the middle will release the core of the carrot and make it so much easier for the juicer to press the carrots. Now the bowl's full with juice, I can release the juice. Okay, next is the cucumber. Now, cucumbers are often too wide to fit straight through whole, so we just do the one cut straight down the middle, similar to the carrots, and then they'll go through the juicer really easily. Okay, so the next thing we want to juice is the radishes. If you've grown them yourself and you know the leaves, you can juice the leaves. They do taste a little bit bitter, so I would prefer to cut them off so we get a better flavour in this juice. The next thing we want to put in this juice is some fresh ginger. Now, the name of this juice is Tonic. We've got some radishes in there which are nice and peppery. We've got some ginger going in, which will add that little bit of spice as well. A little bit of warming herb for the winter months. So we've just got half a beetroot in this recipe. Now, beetroot is a really fibrous vegetable, so we don't want to put a whole beetroot or a half a beetroot into the juicer at once, because remember, it's squeezing and pressing, just like our teeth. We wouldn't just try and squeeze a whole beetroot into our mouth. We want to cut it up into some slices and then we can put it through the machine. So to finish this recipe, guys, we're going to put some lemon into it, add a little bit of tang, a little bit of zest to this tonic juice. Use the lemon with the skin on. It'll give you a wonderful zesty flavour into this juice. So here we have it, guys, tonic. Have a look at the beautiful vibrant colour of this juice. Happy juicing.